In front of me is INFINIX Smart 8, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill and select Google Password Manager. Finally, you can tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then tap on Edit button next to the delayed one and change wherever you want to. When you're ready, select Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!